Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert table from ChatGPT to Google Sheets. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to open up ChatGPT and generate a table. So for example, here I have generated a table of random data. So after generating a table of a random data, now you guys have to what do is you have to add a new prompt. Here you have to simply type convert into CSV file. So after tapping on it, ChatGPT will provide you the CSV file of that specific table. So you have to just simply download this folder. So I'm just tapping on this download this, and you guys can clearly see it is open. It will downloaded as CSV file. Now what you have to do is just simply you have to make sure that the where is the download location. So after coming to the here, you have to go to your open up your Google Sheets. So after opening up Google Sheets, here you have to simply tap on the file button here. So after tapping on file button, just simply tap on import. So after tapping on import, it will take some time and it will ask you for download import. So here you have to just simply go to this upload section and simply tap on browse. So after coming to the browser, you have to simply search for that specific folder where you have downloaded the CSV file. So here is that CSV file downloaded from the ChatGPT. Just simply tap on it to import it. So it will take some time and it will import that specific data. You have to simply tap on import data. So after tapping on import data, and you will be able to see that all the specific folder, all the table has been specifically and successfully uploaded to your Google Sheets. So here is the way to upload your upload your table from ChatGPT to Google Sheets very easily. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.